Abdali Grammar School, Primary Mathematics, Lesson 1, Numbers to 10,000, Chapter number 1, Lecture number 2. Assalamu alaikum students. Today we will learn about place value. As we discussed in last lecture about number and its place. Let's start our question. Show 2, 3, 4, 2 in a place value chart. Show 2, 3, 4, 2 in a place value chart. Here our place value chart is shown. Do you know how many places we will discuss? We will discuss 4 places. We discuss 4 places which are ones, tens, hundred, thousand. We read it as 2, 3, 4, 2 as 2 is right under 1000. We read it as 2000. 3 is right under 100. We read it as 300. 4 is right under tens. We read it as 4 tens. And 2 is right under ones. We read it as 2 ones. Students, as shown in question, our first digit is 2. Our first, that is right under 1000. Now we write it in value form and we show this value with the help of number disc. Here 2000 number disc, pink disc are shown, and each pink disc of 1000. These 2000 number discs are of 2000, and we write 2000 as 2000. We write it as 2000 after 2 in the question. After 2 there are 3 values are written. We write 3 zeros instead of these 3 values, and we write 2000 as 2000. We write after 2 we write in 1000. After 2 we write 3 zeros. Students, the value of digit 3 is 100. The value of digit 3 is 100. We show this 300 with the help of 3 green discs. Each green disc is of 100. Each green disc is of 100. These 3 discs combinedly make 300, and we write in value form of 3. The value form of 3 is 300. Now student, we show 4 tens in number discs. 4 is right under tens. Now show this 4 with the help of disc. Here 4 tens grey discs are shown, and each disc is of tens, and each disc is of tens. We combinedly write it as 40. The value of 4 tens is 40. The value of 4 tens is 40. We write 4 tens as 40. Now student, in the last digit is 2 and it placed at ones. Do you know about ones? Student, do you know about ones? Yes, students. Ones digit is only and last number of any value is called ones. In the last, now students show two ones in disk form. Now show these two ones in disk. Here two disks, purple disks are shown and each disk is of ones. These two disks show two ones. The value of the two ones is 2. Students, our next question is find a place value in a place value chart. Our next question is find the place and value in a place value chart. Student, we have our chart with values 2, 3, 4, 5. Our values are 2, 3, 4, 5. Now student, we write it in both ways, in spellings and in digits form. As we discussed in last question, we write 2, 3, 4, 5 in spellings and in digit form. Now we have to find place and value of digit. The digit 2 place value is 1000. We write it as 2000. And the digit 3 place value is 100. We write it as 300. And the digit 4 place value is tens. We write it as 40. And digit 5 place values is 5 ones. We write it as 5. Now we have to find place and values of digit. The digit 2 is in place. In which place digit 2 is? Now student, let's see the table and find the place of digit 2. In the table, the digit 2 is right under 1000. The digit 2 is right under 1000. The digit 2 is in the place of 1000. The digit 2 is in the place of 1000. The value of digit 2 is 2000. We write it as 2000 or 2000. The digit 3 is in the place. What is the place of digit 3? Students, tell me. Which place it has in the table? The place of the digit 3 in table is 100. The digit 3 in the place of 100. Now students, let's find the value of digit 3. The digit 3 value is 300 or we write it as 300. The value of digit 3 is 300 or 300. Now students, like other digits, we write place and value of tens and ones. Student, let's find the value of tens and ones. The digit 4 is in the place. Student, do you know that? In which place the digit 4 is? See the table. The digit 4 is right under tens. In the table, the digit 4 is right under tens. So the value of digit 4 is tens. The digit 4 is in the tens place. The digit 4 is in the tens place. Now students, let's find the value of digit 4. The value of digit 4 is 4 tenths or 40. The value of the digit 4 is 4 tenths or 40. Now students, let's find the digit 5 is in the place. Student, tell me in which place the digit 5 is right. The digit 5 is right under ones. The digit 5 is right under ones. The digit 5 is in the ones place. The digit 5 is in the ones place. The value of digit 5 is 5 ones or 5. The value of digit 5 is 5 ones or 5. Now students, let's solve our question. Our question is, find the missing number in place value card. Our question is, find the missing number in place value card. Students, do you know how we place and value it? Yes, we value first digit 2 as 2000 because after 2, 3 digits are right. After 2, 3 digits are right, and instead of these 3 digits we write 3 zeros. The place value of 3 is 300 because after 3, 2 digits are right, and we write 2 0 instead of these values. Now students, we write place value of 4. Place value of 4 is 40 because after 4 only 1 digits are right. Our place value of 4 is 40. We write, instead of 5 we write 0. The place value of 4 is 40. Now student, in last, the place value of 5 is ones. After 5, no digit is right, so that's why we write 5 as it is. Student, do you know that? The digit is in the 100 place. See the place value card. Which digit is in the 100 place? Now students, see this place value card. Which digit is in the 100 place? Yes. The digit 3 is in the 100 place. The digit 3 is in the 100 place. Now student, find the value of digit 4 is. What is the value of digit 4 in place value card? The value of digit 4 is 40. The 4 is in the tens place, and in ones place 5 is right. We write, instead of 5 0. At tens place, the value of digit 4 is 40. Now students, our question is write numerals 2, 4, 5, 6 in words. Write 2, 4, 5, 6 in words. As we discussed in our last question about place and value, do you know how we write it? Yes. First of all, we categorize places of 2, 4, 5, 6. First of all, we categorize the places of 2, 4, 5, 6 in a place value chart. The value of 2 is 2000. The value of place value of 2 is 2000. Place value of 4 is 400. Place value of 5 is 5 tens, and place value of 6 is 6 ones. We also write it in digit. Do you know how we write it? Is in digit. We write it with zeros. As discussed about it, we write 2 with 3 zeros. We write 4 with 2 zeros. We write 5 with 1 zero, and we write 6 as it is. We write it as 2400 plus 50 plus 6. We write it as 2000 plus 400 plus 50 plus 6. Now students, it's time to write in a words. Now let's write it in the word. We write 2, 4, 5, 6 in words. We write it as 2, 4, 5, 6 as we write it as 2000. We write it as 2400, 2400 and 56. We write it as 2456. Thanks for watching.